Welcome to Curtis Brown Creative's Write to the End of Your Novel course. This is the course that will help you get all the way through the first draft of your novel. If writing a novel is like running a marathon, then we've probably hit the wall somewhere in the middle. It's time to go back to warming up and stretching. If your writing is feeling lifeless, read books that inspire you to reconnect with your writerly ambition and your desire. If you're really stuck on a particular moment in your story, write a different bit of it. You might want to write the ending or just something from a whole other point of the book. Just move out of that tricky middle and go somewhere else. So avoid cliché, be concise, be specific, find your angle, and remember that less is more.